Easy fix iPhone stuck on Apple logo. Force restart. Perform a force restart by following your device's specific steps. Connect to iTunes/Finder. Connect your iPhone to a computer, open iTunes/Finder, and update or restore your device. DFU mode. Try DFU mode if normal restore fails. Connect to iTunes. Force restart. Release buttons at Connect to a Tune screen, and choose Restore. Check for updates. Ensure your iTunes or Finder is updated to the latest version. Sometimes, software compatibility issues can cause problems. Inspect hardware. Examine your charging cable, USB port, and ensure there are no physical damages. Try using a different cable or port. Review recent changes. Think about any recent apps, updates, or changes made to your iPhone. Reverting recent changes might help identify the issue.